Hello, I'm going to walk you through our 3D hydraulic schematics. This is our latest feature from our connected solutions. Within our 3D hydraulic schematics, we have this feature located in Online Express, and anyone can actually request a login and gain access to Online Express. So once you have signed in, and I am currently signed in, from here, you would actually go over to the Service tab, which is the second tab over, and down from there, you're going to click on the 3D hydraulic schematics. As we wait for this to open, we do have booms, scissors, and telehandlers within this feature. I'm going to click on booms, and then I'm going to click on the model that I want to view. So I actually want to look at the 520 AJ. We also have the serial number and the PVC code listed here just for reference. I'm going to click on View Schematics. As that loads, I'll just quickly go through the left-hand side for you guys. So from here, I can actually show and hide components. Down below that, since it has come up, I'll go ahead and click on that. I am going to unclick the hood for now, just to show you that you can go through and unclick whatever you need to in order to be able to view the hoses and connectors and anything else that you would like to look at. And from here, I'm going to select the function for ground control, but you have other options here as well. And then down below, as I'm on the left-hand side, I'll just quickly show you. The legend here is going to show me all of those different hoses. In just a minute after I select the function, you'll see what I'm talking about. All kinds of different flows, the suction, the pump, the return, and even the electrical input for our solenoids. If I have questions on how to use these schematics, I click here, and it will give me a quick rundown of how I can actually go through this feature and how I can scroll and select a function, etc. So from here, I'm actually just going to bring that up just a smidge. I am going to hide this for just 1 second because I want to show you off to the right-hand side. I can make this model transparent, or I can make it solid. I prefer transparent just so I can see these hoses and connections a little bit easier. I am gonna expand this again, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on swing left. And as that starts to populate, you should have noticed that some of those hoses also populated. Give you an idea that you can easily move it around. If I just double click in the center here, it's going to pull that back into the center. And if I hit the control, I can actually move this over a little bit more. There's different ways to move the machine based on how, if you're using the mouse controls, if you're using an iPad, or if you're using just the keypad on your computer. There are different ways to use the controls. So I'm zooming in at this point, and then I'm just going to move this over, grab the machine and move it, and then I'm going to zoom in here just so you guys can get a better look at these solenoids. For some reason there we go. I'm just going to grab that machine and move it around. Okay, as I get ready to position this, what I want you to see is when I get ready to swing this to the right, the hoses are going to change, and then also the solenoid on that main control valve is going to change. So and we got the yellow right here. This is our swing right. And I should have zoomed out a little bit. There we go. And then if I click on the swing left, you're going to notice that the solenoid is going to change yellow up here. And then also right here, it's going to change yellow. And then also these inputs and the flows are going to change colors. So there you go. This one at the top just changed yellow. And so it helps you to understand, if you've got to change hoses, especially for some of our machines where there's a lot of hoses, including like our scissor lifts, where it becomes more beneficial to see where those hoses, which ports the hoses go into and then come out of. If I wanted to go over to our 2D models, I could do that as well. From here, it is bringing me right into the hydraulic schematics. So if I were to just change the speed on here, I'm going to go fast. You can see all of the color-coded schematics that appear. So that way you have better visuals of just that flat 2D schematic for those who prefer to see our schematics in that kind of format. And the other benefit is to be able to click onto the manual and then go find the manual that you're looking for. All of our manuals are here. So if I find the machine that I need, the 520, I can actually find the operator's manual, the service manual, and the parts manuals from this list. So just one more way that we're pulling all of that information into one place for our customers to be able to access that information quickly and efficiently. And then another thing within this feature is the part numbers. As I was scrolling around, you probably already saw that, where the part number is showing up with a quick description. And the idea is if you needed to order a part, you would be able to see what that part information is. If you're already in Online Express, you'll be able to order that part. That actually wraps up our connected technologies and solutions. And I thank you very much for your time and have a wonderful day.